Hey guys, welcome back. So in this episode, I'm going to start by providing answers to two questions. Question number one, what is UI UX design? Question number two, what is UI UX design engineering? And after I answer these two questions, we are going to begin our journey on how to use Figma as a UI UX design tool. Now, let's get started with our first question, which says, what is UI UX design? So to understand UI UX design, there is need for us to first of all understand that UI here stands for user interface and UX here stands for user experience. So now that we know what UI and UX stands for, what actually is user interface and what is user experience? So user interface, which we can also call UI, is the part of a mobile app or a website that we can see and use. Basically, what I'm saying is this. If you pick up your phone right now, for example, and you open an app on your phone, let's say you open WhatsApp. What you are seeing on your phone screen when you open WhatsApp is called the UI, or the user interface of WhatsApp. And this is not only for WhatsApp. This is the same for any other app on your phone or any website that you visit. Just know that whenever you open an app on your phone or you go to a website on your computer, what you will be seeing on the screen of your phone or computer is called a user interface, or UI for short. And that's it. That's what a user interface is. Now, let's talk about user experience, which we can also call UX. What is user experience? So, user experience is the overall feeling that you get whenever you use a mobile app or whenever you use a website. For example, when you use the banking app on your phone, do you feel satisfied? Do you feel frustrated? Do you feel like the app is too complex? Do you feel scared to make a mistake when using the app? How do you feel when using the app? Now, whatever feeling you get while using the banking app is basically your user experience as a user of the app. And that is what user experience is all about. It's the general feeling that a person experiences whenever they use a website or whenever they use a mobile app. And that's it. So now we can say that we know what user interface is and we know what user experience is, yeah? So with all we have learned so far, I can now say that UI UX design is the designing of the user interface and the designing of the user experience for a mobile app or a website. And the person who designs the user interface and the user experience for a mobile app or a website is called a UI UX designer. So as a UI UX designer, it is your duty to design how a mobile app or a website will look. And it is also your duty to design and ensure that the feelings and the general experience of a person using your mobile app or website is fantastic. So now that we know what UI UX design is and we know the core functions of a UI UX designer, I would like us to answer the second question, which says, what is UI UX design engineering? So to make this very simple, I would like to say that UI UX design engineering is the designing and the building of user interfaces and user experiences. So the major difference between UI UX design and UI UX design engineering is the fact that in UI UX design engineering, you do not get to just design the user interfaces and the experiences. You also get to build these user interfaces and these user experiences using code or using low-code technologies. Now, so far, we understand what UI UX design is. We also understand what UI UX design engineering is, and we've also talked about the core functions of a UI UX designer. So at this point, I would like to say that if you have any questions on all we have talked about so far, you can leave the questions in the comment section and I'll always be there to give you an answer. And also, if you are interested in joining the paid learning community for this course, you can use the community link in the description to do that. Now, before we call it a wrap on this episode, I would like us to begin our journey on how to use Figma as a UI UX design tool. Now, the first thing you need to do to use Figma as a UI UX design tool is to create an account with Figma. So how do we do that? Let's go to the Figma's website. Now, to go to the Figma's website, go to your browser, and when you get to your browser, come here in the address bar and type in figma.com. When you type in figma.com, press the enter key on your keyboard so that you can be taken to the Figma's website, which is this. Now, when you find yourself here on the Figma's website, all you have to do to create a Figma account is to just come here and click on this button that says Get Started for Free, or click on this button here that also says Get Started for Free. So at this point, I would like you all to go ahead and create your account with Figma.